Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for like 4 months, but I'm back and I'm here with another makeup tutorial. So I've already concealed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just setting it with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish powder in the shade 2 with the Morphe E23 brush, and just setting it on both of my eyes. And then next I'm gonna go with the Hoola bronzer with my Morphe E27 brush and just put that all in my crease area. And this is the only shade I'm going to be using for my eyes, because after that I'm just gonna pop on some eyeliner. For my gel eyeliner, I'm using the Sigma Stunningly Ladylike and the Sigma E06 wing eyeliner brush. I have like this weird placement with my fingers to get my eyeliner, and I do kind of tug my skin to get that line. Not a lot, just a little. And I know it's bad for you, but I do it if I really want to wing out my eyeliner. To intensify the color of my eyeliner, I am going over it with the NYX Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Damn Girl, and I really like this mascara. And I did put a light coat in this video, but if you wear it alone, it's really good. I'm telling you, if you guys haven't already, go get one at Sephora. It's good. Let me tell you, it's good. Okay, so for my face primer, I'm going to be using, of course, two. So the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer in my T-zone, and I'm just going to gently press it into my skin. For the all-over primer, I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Y'all, this is bomb. Get it. It's great. It makes your foundation last all day, all night, and it has a tacky feeling to it, which is great because you want your foundation to stick. And I just wait a few minutes before applying my foundation. So while my primers are settling into my skin, for my under eyes, I'm going to be using the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I apply it first with my finger, and then I blend it out with the Juno Beauty Sponge. For foundation, I am using two, which is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Barcelona, and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Caramel Beige. First, I apply it with my finger and blend it out with the Juno Beauty Sponge. To clean up my eyeliner and sharpen it up, I'm using the Morphe M1702 brush, and I'm cleaning it up with just the foundation, the rest of the foundation that I have. And to blend it out, I'm using this Morphe brush. I've used it in my previous videos. It doesn't have a number, but I use it for all the cream products that I have. and it's worked so good. I think I got it in the monthly Morphe Glam package. I believe so. And then, of course, blending it out with the beauty sponge, sorry. To conceal my under eyes, I am using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in the shade 330. I apply it evenly with that Morphe brush, then blend it out with the beauty sponge. To highlight my under eyes, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Light Capturing Self-Setting Concealer in the shade 34. Y'all, I like this one. It's so good. It really is. I don't know, it's like not really everyone is raving about it, but I like it, and you guys should get your hands on it. To highlight the center of my face, I just do the bridge of my nose and my forehead and blend it out like usual with the Morphe brush and the beauty sponge. Before I set my under eyes, I blend it out so there's no creasing and whatnot. I go back in with that Morphe brush and I dip my beauty sponge into the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder and set my under eyes. To contour my face, I am using the Revolution foundation stick in the shade F14, and I am applying it with the Morphe M427 brush. So I think I learned this, I'm pretty much sure I learned this from I Love Saragi. I apply it first with the brush, then blend it out with the beauty sponge. To contour my nose, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso and blending it out with the Morphe G34 brush. So I just go down the sides of my nose and the tip of my nose. It gives you gives your nose like a little lift, and it's kind of like a cute little button nose. Before I start setting my face with powder, I use my beauty sponge and make sure all the liquids and cream is all set. To set my under eyes, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Light Medium and the Morphe Y3 brush. I'm going to let that powder sit for a little bit. So while that's happening, I'm going to bronze my face with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and use my Morphe M551 brush. Going back with my Morphe Y3 brush, I am sweeping away the excess from that Maybelline loose fitting powder, and I'm going to contour my nose with the Benefit Hoola bronzer and this mini crease brush. To set the remaining of my face, I am using the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation in the shade NC42. And I'm sorry, I forgot to show it, my bad. Okay, so each time that I apply a powder on my face, I like to use this beauty sponge to set everything. I don't know, to me it seems like it works. So then now I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer. I'm using the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer in the shade Sundance. And I'm using the Revlon Blush Brush Yo, every time I say that, it's such a tongue twister. Like, I have to be careful every time. For blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso with the Morphe PK14 brush. I love this blush. It's so good, especially for spring and summer. It just gives this glow to you. To give my eyes a little bit more, dimension, not make it look so plain, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer and applying it with the Luxie 243 blending brush. For my false lashes, I am using the Luxe lashes in the number 426. These are 100% human hair, so light, it's great, and it complements this simple look. For my brow gel, I am using the Milani tint in the shade dark brown. I usually use the soft brown, but I guess I use the dark brown. To set my face, I am going to be using the Milani Make It Last Matte Finishing Spray. And I'm using this fan that I got from work. I'm just fanning my whole face. For highlighter, I am using the Amrezy highlighter. She did a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And let me tell you, this highlighter is bomb, yo. And I'm using the Morphe M510 to apply it onto my cheeks. To apply the highlight in the inner corners of my eyes and the bridge of my nose, I'm using this Sephora round smudge brush. For my lower lashes, I am using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. It's really great for my bottom lashes. I love the wand. It gets everything and it doesn't smudge or transfer, I would say. For my lip liner, I am using the lip pencil from MAC. It's in the shade Soar, and I'm applying it all over my lips as a base. For my liquid lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty's Demi Matte in the shade Day Slayer. Setting my face one last time with the Milani Matte Setting Spray, making sure my makeup is locked, ready to go, fanning it out. But this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. I do. I hope that this would be a useful video for you guys that you can use. But don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading more videos. Promise. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.